How to fix Snapchat search not working. So if you want to fix if your Snapchat search isn't working, it is fairly simple for us to do so. All we have to do is to simply launch the Snapchat app first, and if you're facing such errors, we want to start by checking our internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, if you're using the app on Android, long press the Snapchat app icon, then you can simply tap this app info option. This setting will be found on every Android device, and from here you can go to the option called storage usage, where you can clear the cache files and you can clear the data. So remember that clearing the data will completely reset the application. Now go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Snapchat, check if it has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Now you can simply open Snapchat and simply try to log into your account, and this time when you log in, you should be able to use all of the search features and everything that comes up with Snapchat. So this way you can fix if the Snapchat search isn't working. If this video helped you out, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.